2 academic class, we explored the letters A, Tita, Essa, Ie, Pipa, Oha, Sika, Keika, Jiga, Emma and Enna. The children practiced recognizing each letter, improving their phonics skills and boosting their confidence in literacy. Through hands-on activities, we are encouraged critical thinking and self-monitoring as they work through challenges with focus and determination. Excellent effort from everyone.
This one. Quack, quack.
Pig.
Huh? No, not a pig.
Pig.
No.
Duck.
Duck. Duck. Hey, let's do this one. Come on. Wait. This one. Duck. Right, this one. Quack, quack. Dice. Dice. What's this one? Oh, wow. Good one. You like dice? And this one? I don't know. Triceratops. Wow. What letter is this? What letter is this? Giga. What is this person? You're a boy, and you are a girl. Good job. This one open. What is it? Gate. Gate. What is this one? Goose. Good job. Guitar, right? What's this one? Guitar. Good job. And this one at your house, you can play in the garden.